Hello, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to quickly and easily replace differential bushings. Alright, so some bushings are metal sleeved like this, which makes them pretty hard to get out. Rubber ones are also hard to get out, but in this video we're going to focus on these metal ones, and there are a few ways to do that. One is to use something like a hammer like this and a chisel and do a lot of manual work to free up the bushing and push it out. Another thing that I've seen a lot of people do is use a drill to try to open up the rubber, get the center of this bushing out, and then get the outside out. But the outside's still the hard part, and you don't really need to get that center out to remove the bushing. You could use a bigger hammer, or you could work smarter, not harder, and use something like an air hammer. Now, this does require a compressor, but it makes this job a lot easier. I'm going to show you a clip of how easy this thing is right now. Alright, so the first thing that I did was put some penetrating oil around the bushing to loosen it up. Then I went ahead and got my air hammer out. Now, let me say that this technique will work with a normal hammer, but an air hammer makes it much easier, and I have some good ones linked down in the description below. What I did here was put a lot of force in a small area in a bunch of places around the bushing to crack it loose and free it up. Also, by going in a circular pattern, you're not going to warp the bushing and get it more stuck in there, so go a little bit in a bunch of different places and it will start to move. As you could see here, once it was free with the air hammer, it was super easy to knock that thing out of place. So again, the air hammer is the easiest way to do this. If you do want to use the same technique with a hammer, just go around the bushing. Don't go a lot on one side. That'll sort of twist it and make it hard to get out. And a normal hammer will do the trick. An air hammer is ideal.